Hi, my name is Steven, and I'll be walking through with you today on how to set up your new Royal Synchro T2 and how to do the calibrations and how to program your machine. Do bear in mind that you only need to do it once when it is brand new, when you just get it in from the factory. It's recommended you try to check on the settings and calibration once every 3 to 6 months to ensure that the settings remains accurate to your needs. This is how you get into the settings menu. Press the P, which is the second last button. It also has a symbol of 3 cups on it. Press it, hold it down for roughly 5 seconds. The LCD will be showing you dosage settings, select within 10 seconds. When this appears, it shows you that you are in the settings menu, and this button will start to blink. If you do not press anything within 10 seconds, the settings menu will automatically close for you. If you like to set a double shot, you need a shot glass or measuring cup. Place it underneath the portafilter. Press P again until it blinks or until you have the menu out. Next up, press the double shot because this is a double shot portafilter. Once it reaches 30 ml, press this to stop and save. As you can see, now it's 30 ml, you press this, you stop and save it. Now, we will strongly advise you to make sure that you have ground coffee in your portafilter before you perform these tasks to have a very clear calibration and setting done. And we also advise you to ensure that your grind size is correct. If your grind size is incorrect, you will not be able to have a properly calibrated settings done as well. You can set this for single, double. These 2 buttons is meant for your personal preference. It could be a lungo, it could be a ristretto, it could be anything that you prefer. The last 2 buttons, the P and the water, you can set the amount of water coming out from the group head. The last button is from the boiler. So you can actually set the amount of water that comes out from the boiler itself.
Goodbye and please subscribe.
Say one more time, look at me.
Goodbye and please subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.